Should you treat wild birds for avian lice? Imagine spotting a wild bird in your yard, preening its feathers or dust bathing in the dirt. You might wonder if those tiny bugs on its feathers are something to worry about. Avian lice are very small insects that live on birds, feeding on feathers, skin, or blood. They can cause irritation, itching, and discomfort, making birds scratch or lose feathers. Sometimes, a heavy lice infestation can weaken a bird, cause feather damage, or even make it unable to fly properly. In severe cases, it can lead to health problems or death, especially for young or sick birds. But should you treat wild birds for these lice? Usually, the answer is no. Wild birds naturally carry lice as part of their environment. Mild infestations are common and often do not harm the bird much. Birds are good at preening and dust bathing, which helps control lice naturally. Trying to treat wild birds can sometimes do more harm than good, especially if you use chemicals improperly. If a wild bird is in your care, like in a rescue or rehabilitation center, then treatment might be necessary. In these cases, vets can carefully apply insecticides like pyrethrin powders or sprays. These are specific chemicals that kill lice but are safe when used correctly. The treatment involves applying the insecticide to the bird's feathers, usually in small amounts, and repeating it after a week or so to catch any newly hatched lice. Environmental treatment in the wild is not practical. You cannot easily spray nests or the surrounding area without risking harm to other wildlife. Instead, wild birds relying on their natural behaviors to keep lice populations in check. Preening, dust bathing, and social grooming help control lice naturally. If you notice a bird acting very lethargic, losing lots of feathers, or showing signs of distress, it might have a serious infestation. In that case, contacting a wildlife rehabilitator or veterinarian is the best step. They can assess whether treatment is needed and how to do it safely. In general, for wild birds in their natural environment, intervention is rarely necessary. Their bodies and behaviors are adapted to handle lice, and heavy treatment can sometimes cause more stress or harm. The key is observing the bird's health and acting only if it shows clear signs of suffering or if it's in human care. So, unless a bird is in your care or shows severe health issues, it's best to let nature take its course with wild birds and their tiny lice.